y'all, as you know, I have completed week 2 of the 30-day vegan challenge. It was a breeze. I thought it was gonna be a little rough for me because I was only doing vegetables. Of course, I had to add some chickpeas in there for protein. I tried the black beans, but me and the black beans did not get along. I hate for my stomach to be bloated, and I was kind of gassy too at the same time. I hated that. I felt so bad the next day after eating those black beans. And broccoli do it too, but not as much as those black beans. So black beans I'm gonna cut out while I'm doing this 30-day vegan challenge. But everything else was a breeze. I had plenty of fruits, lots of water, lemon water. I'm also fasting. I've been fasting for over a year, but I'm just letting you guys know that I am fasting while I'm doing this 30-day vegan challenge. My body feels good, my skin looks good, and I'm hoping that somebody out there that want to try this 30-day vegan challenge, I'm getting ready to go into week 3, and I'm excited about week 3. This challenge is almost over. It may not even be over because I probably will extend the 30-day challenge because I'm loving it. Actually, I'm having fun doing it, creating the meals, and I don't know. It's just easy. It's easy. I don't even know what to say. Like I said, I thought it was gonna be a little rocky because I wanted to do just all vegetables on week 2, but it was easy. And this probably be something long-term for me. So I'm hoping somebody that's watching this video would want to take on this 30-day challenge. Don't think about because, oh, I need some meat or whatever. No, it's not that. You probably won't even miss the meat. I don't. It's been times that, not since the challenge, but times before, my body would crave for meat. And to be honest, I eat a lot of seafood, but since I have been doing this 30-day challenge, vegan challenge, I haven't had any meat. I did some meat alternatives as far as the meatless stuff, but I'm trying to get myself away from that too because I know a lot of that stuff is processed. But anyway, you won't miss the meat. I promise you won't. I think it's a mind thing. I really think it's a mind thing. But just the vegan challenge, I thought it was a great idea, and I think it's a great idea. So if anybody out there want to try it, give it a try and reset your body, because that's all it's doing is resetting your body, getting rid of those toxins. Like I said, it was a breeze for me. I'm excited for week 3, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you guys. See you next time.